Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about why do the software test really misses the bugs while they are testing it. What are the various reasons could be and how can we provide a solutions for it also will be discussed in this video. The first we'll try to understand what are the various reasons for missing bugs or defects while testing by the software tester. The first one is incomplete test coverage. Testers may not able to test everything or every possible scenarios because of lack of time or lack of budget or resource constraint, leading to potential bugs being missed as well. That is the key reasons why testers really miss the bugs or defects. And the second aspect is when there is a lack of requirement or lack of clarity on the requirement, that may also leads to missing of defects and the insufficient test data. If testers does not have a sufficient test data to test the real world scenario, even that may also leads to missing of the defect. And the next aspect is limited testing environment. If you do not have a right testing environment or if you do not have a working environment or if you are not able to simulate the environment which is real like production environment, even that time also chances that we may miss the bugs there as well. And the next aspect is if testers does some assumptions or if he is having certain biases, even that may lead to missing of potential issues or bugs, and even due to the human errors as well. If testers makes mistakes intentionally or overlooking the details or misinterpret the information, leading to potential bugs as well. And also, if tester doesn't have a right experience in testing that given application, then the right experience in terms of techniques or technologies is also leads to missing of the bugs or defects. And even the reason could be the communication gap between the testers and developers also can lead to missing of bugs, or even in terms of communications with the stakeholders, even those issues also leads to missing of the defects by the tester. Now we will try to see how can we mitigate these issues by having the right solutions. One is, anyhow we may not have 100% time or 100% people capacity to complete the test. That is the time we'll have to go for prioritizing the test, and we'll have to test all the things in a prioritized manner. And also testers should collaborate with the developers on regular basis to highlight the issues or raise or concern, so that developer can or any stakeholder can help you at the right time. And it is good to go for using test automation as well, because manually may create a lot of human error, or you cannot completely increase overall test coverage if you do not bring a test automation. That is also key of bringing a test automation. And the next aspect is rather than just stick to our test case testing, should also explore the opportunity of exploratory testing, so that we can identify unexpected issues as well, and we can get better understanding of that product, so that we can easily find more defects or bugs by providing the solution. And by doing regular code review or test case review also can reduce the potential issues in any application. The continuous learning is also a key. If testers can continuously learn new skills, techniques to improve overall testing capabilities, even that also likely that will reduce the missing of bugs. So these are some of the important reasons for missing of bugs, plus also how can we avoid also I have provided in this video. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.